The question number 2 in exercise 6.3. Look at the first subdivision. We have a diagram like this. The exterior angle is 120 degree, and here x is there, here y is there, here 50 degree is there. In this, we have to use two property. To find x, we may use exterior angle property, and to find y, we may use that linear pair property. If we require to use angle sum property also, we will do. We can find x or y using any one property, and we will use angle sum property as well. As we are discussing about this angle sum property, we forcefully introduce this angle sum property here. So which one will go with? Either yes, y we can using to find y, we can say this y plus 120 equals 180 degree, because they forms linear pair. Then y is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, it is 60 degree. And by the angle sum property, that is it. Same thing, right? Previously we have done the same. So x is equal to 70 degree. What is it? And next, the second subdivision. Here 50 degree x, here 80 degree, upside 80 degree, here y. What property we can use here? Yes, 80 degree is equal to y, because they are vertically opposite angles. And after that, by the angle sum property, we have x plus y plus 50 degree equals 180 degree. X we don't know, obviously. Y is 80 degree plus 50 degree equals 180 degree, and x plus 130 degree equals 180 degree, and x equals 180 degree minus 130 degree, and we have x is equal to 50 degree. X is 50, y is 80. That is the answer. Now the third subdivision. Can you guess how that can be solved? $110 degree. See, we can use the external angle sum property. Exterior angle sum. What is that exterior angle sum? Exterior angle property. The angle x is equal to 50 plus 60. Then x is equal to 110 directly. Also, we can use the angle sum property, which is same thing. Instead of x, we have y. equals 180 degree and y is equals 70 degree. That's all. Or else we may find this by using angle sum property, and we'll find x using that linear pair property. Then either way we can do. The fourth subdivision. See, here y, here 30. See, this x and 60 are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. Also, after finding x equals 60, we can use the angle sum property that x plus y plus 30 equals 180 degree. What is our x? We don't know. Oh, sorry, x is 60 degree, y we don't know, 30 degree plus 180 degree. 60 plus 30, which is 90 degree, plus y is equal to 180, that will give us y is equal to 90 degree. But what your doubt is, the diagram doesn't seem like that is 90 degree, right? Not all the time they give diagrams like this. All we can check is either this property holds or not, we can check. As a reference, they may give diagram in some cases. As one example, see the fifth subdivision, the next one. The same thing happened. Here 90 degree, here y, here x, here x. So we may have y is equal to 90 degree, but the diagram doesn't seem like it is 90 degree. As a reference diagram, we should consider. So we have x plus x. Yes sir, solve it sir. That is all. Now there are try these questions as well. You see, two angles of a triangle are 30 and 80. Then the third angle is 70 degree. 80 plus 30 is 110. 180 minus 110 it is 70. This comes more often, right? 110, 180 minus 110. One of the angles of a triangle is 80 degree and the other two angles are equal. Then find the measure of each of the equal angles. 2x plus 80 is equal to 180. 50. 50. Three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:1. Find the angles of the triangle. Classify the triangle in two different ways. You should say then. Yes. The angles are in the ratio 1:2:1. Which means the angle A, we may take it as 1x, angle B, we may take it as 2x, angle C, we may take it as 1x again, because the ratio is given like this. And by the angle sum property, We have angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degree. So that is 1x plus 2x plus again 1x is equal to 180 degree. So totally 5x is equal to 180 degree. Yes, x is what, girl? What is I? Die. Oh, sorry. My bad. 4. Then 4 means correct. Then x is 45 degree. So our A is 45 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 45 degree again. This is isosceles and right angle triangle. Okay. Good. Next, think and discuss and write. Can you have a triangle with 2 right angles? No. The maximum sum is 180. So 180 should be split among 3 angles. Can you have a triangle with 2 obtuse angles? No. Only 1 obtuse angle is allowed. Can you have a triangle with 2 acute angles? Yes. See, right now we had. Can you have an angle with all the 3 angles greater than 60? No, we can't. Can you have a triangle with all the 3 angles equal to 60? Yes, that is called as equilateral triangle. Can you have a triangle with all the 3 angles less than 60 degree? No, it's not possible. At least one should be greater than 60. Okay, and that's it. Then 2 special triangles.